In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI recommendations in Freshsales. If you're on the enterprise plan, Freshsales includes AI-powered recommendations through Freddy AI. This feature looks at your CRM activity and helps surface useful suggestions, like which leads to prioritize, what action to take next, and when a follow-up may be needed. It's designed to support your workflow so you can make faster, more informed sales decisions. To get started, sign into your Freshsales account and open AI recommendations. From there, head over to the lead section and open any lead record you want to work with. Inside the lead, click on Freddy AI Insights. This area gives you a quick view of AI-driven guidance based on the information and activity connected to that lead. It's a helpful place to check before deciding what to do next. From the lead page, one option you may see is Add to Sales Sequence. This is useful when you want to place the lead into a structured outreach flow so follow-ups happen in a more organized way. You may also choose Send Email, which lets you act on the recommendation immediately without leaving the record. When composing the email, enter your topic or context. In this example, use CRM Demo. Then click on Freddy AI to open the AI writing tools and choose Generate Subject. Freshsales will offer suggested subject lines based on your context. Select the suggestion you want, then click Use Subject to place it into the email. Next, type your message in the email body. After that, go back to Freddy AI and choose Generate Email. This helps create a draft based on the lead context and your message direction. Once the suggested draft appears, click Use Email to insert it into the composer. Review the content to make sure it matches your tone and intent, then click Send. Another action available from the lead record is Make Call. This is useful when you want to contact the lead directly and take a more immediate, personal approach. Depending on the situation, a call may be better than email, especially for urgent follow-ups or active prospects. Once you're done in leads, go to Deals and open any deal record. Then click Freddy AI Insights again. In some cases, especially with newer accounts or limited CRM activity, you may see a message saying, Freddy AI doesn't have any insights for now, but it will soon. That's normal. Freddy needs enough historical data before it can generate meaningful recommendations. Common recommendations may include following up with a lead, scheduling a meeting, responding to an email, spotting a deal at risk, or identifying a lead that resembles previous successful customers. For best results, check AI recommendations regularly, prioritize the most important suggestions first, keep your CRM data clean, log every customer interaction, and review deal health consistently. Most importantly, treat Freddy as decision support and combine its insights with your own judgment. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.